Alright, y'all. It is Sunday, September 9th at 11:20 p.m. And Crystal and I have made the executive decision to just pull an all-nighter and just grind out this day because we have a whole bunch of stuff going on. So rather than going to sleep and starting another vlog tomorrow, we're just gonna hit the play button and make it. We're just gonna roll with it. So we're about to go to the gym right now. We're gonna train arms, biceps, and triceps. Not sure how much footage I'll get of us actually training because we just want to go in there and bump it out. We still have to make pre-measurements for all the ingredients because we're gonna make bricks tomorrow. I've got to write 7-set Sunday. By the time we get back from the gym, it's gonna be a 7-set Monday. So sorry about that. Yeah, let's screw sleep and get to work. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I am pretty tired. Like, I'm tired, you know? I just wanna go to bed. But Crystal, this is her jam right now. She's brushing her teeth. She's so excited. It looks like it's like morning time right now. We're brushing her teeth. Is it morning time?
Practically.
Practically. Can you verify the time so people believe us?
Real.
Wow.
Brush teeth time.
What time is it, baby?
It is 11:31 p.m.
Gym time?
Oh, yeah, gym time.
Let's do it. You know, one benefit of going to the gym at midnight is that there is nobody here. Let's get it. Beast mode, y'all. Beast mode. Curling it. Come on, do it. Ah, one more time. Ah. That's proper form, right? So if I don't get this, Chris is gonna make me look bad, right?
This is how the real men do it.
Oop, that weight's about to fall off. Alright, here we go. Perfect form.
Wow, there's a little bit of backswing there.
Workout in the books, solid workout. I don't know what time it is now. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, so good solid workout. Just doing some posing in an empty gym, one of the perks. Looking all fluffy in my off season. Still got some quad cuts though. Not much on the ab front. Yeah, buddy. You know what's crazy, y'all? We're gonna come back in a couple hours and do chest.
Cause we're...
You just burped?
No.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
She just burped it. It stinks.
I did not.
Alright, so the night got away from us. Let me bring you up to speed. Crystal made a whole bunch of pre-mixed batches for the bricks. We're gonna try and do like a test run of making bricks at the new facility today. We don't have all of our equipment in yet, so we're kind of limited there, but we're gonna try and get a feel for things and get a workflow down at the new spot today. I was working on the computer work. We both took a little nap. I'm like very tired. She's very tired. And I tell you, with this many calories I'm taking in, I feel much more like, I don't know. It's just harder to wake up in the morning. It's kind of like similar to when I was eating a large bolus of protein, like a surplus of protein. When I did that experiment with Danny Vega, like I just feel the same way in the fact that I'm just more lethargic upon waking. Once I'm up, I'm good, but it's hard for me to wake up, so I'm not a fan of that aspect. I'm working on editing a podcast now. It's going to go live, and I'm going to go walk out to the kitchen and kind of see how things are going there. Kayla just got here, so they're about to mix a batch, so let's check it out. Had to change my shirt. I was feeling gross in that other one when we worked out in. We're about to work out again, so I just stay sweaty, I guess, but at least got a new shirt on. Alright, so I've been in here doing dishes. That's what you see here. Got the sink, been doing dishes. Crystal and Kayla have been rocking it out in here. We got our heating station, our mixer, our professional pourers, and our freezer. Our deep freeze isn't working at the moment, so we're stuck with old Trusty here. Crystal has been in a frustrated state, but she's still smiling. Isn't that right?
Uh-huh.
Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Alright, so I'm taking a break to eat some lunch. I've got my pound of 75/25 ground beef, but I'm going to add something to it. I'm gonna put an entire container of the Philadelphia cream cheese original in there, which has got 10 grams of fat. There's 8 servings, so 80 grams of fat right here. So I'm gonna mix that in. Shout out to Mary Roberts for hooking me up with this idea. This is the first time I'm gonna try it, so I'm excited. All right, y'all, look at this. It's gonna be good. Got a good feeling about it. Easy way to get your fat in, at least. All right, moment of truth. I put some Cholula hot sauce on there, along with some pink Himalayan salt, obviously. There's probably like more cream cheese in here than most people would do, but why not go for the whole package? This is good. I could totally just eat this every day. Good. Alright, so it's been a while since I've made a clip. There's been quite a lot of time that has elapsed since the last clip. I don't know what the last clip was. I've been working on the computer and the kitchen. Crystal's been in the kitchen on the computer. We've had Kayla and my cousin Corey making bricks. But I really wanted to just point out how cute Crystal looks in her apron. Isn't that cute?
Okay, so right now we have 100 in here that need to be sealed. There's, what, 200 in here that are good to go but need to be labeled. These all need to be bagged and labeled. Those are labeled, and Corey is bagging up some over there too. So,
That's right, Corey.
Good to go.
You're a good man.
Bricks on bricks.
Alright, y'all, it's 10:30. Grilling my steak. I gotta get 4,000 calories in. Cuz is still here.
With the shirt.
He's got a shirt. Keto Brick
Keto Brick.
in the biz.
What's up?
Crystal, what's your shirt?
Savage.
Savage.
Because I'm the
Nice.
only savage around.
That's our recyclable pile of cardboard
And one broom.
and a broom. Living the high life. What you think, Jack? You think we could put you on that grill? Look at the sear on that steak. So picturesque. Well, hello everybody. This is the final clip of the vlog. It's been a long day.
Been a long day.
This vlog started at 12 or like 11:30 p.m.
Last
yesterday.
night.
So it's been 24 hours, right?
Yeah.
About 11:30 now,
Yeah.
roughly. I am drinking my super calorically dense shake, and I want to talk about something. I want to talk about why we do what we do. Why are you smiling?
Because I know what you're getting to.
You know what I'm getting to? I'll tell you why we do what we do. It's for moments like this right here, why we do what we do.
Yeah.
This says Keto Savage, right? This was made and mailed to us by a young man named Jacob. And Jacob sent us this nice letter that went with it. And I'm not gonna read the whole letter, but basically the gist of it is he wrote this and he made that artwork for us because we've been an inspiration to him. The YouTube channel, the podcast, the Instagram content. He's just, he's gone through a lot of stuff himself with eating disorders. He was in 7th grade and started cross country running, and he was at one point 12 years old and was down to 65 pounds with a heart rate in the 30s due to his eating disorders. And that's been a very hard thing for him to go through in high school and in college. He's an architecture student. This is a really, really touching email. Like, Crystal was literally in tears, Jacob.
I was literally crying.
Yeah. And for us, like, we didn't know Jacob. We don't know this guy. He took the time to write us that very thoughtful, nice letter. He made this super cool Keto Savage. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Put on. I might frame this and put it on the wall, but it's just awesome. And like, it's just. I honestly don't even have the words. I don't even have the words. We get emails that are just so like. I honestly don't have the words, y'all. Can you try and take the words?
No.
No?
No, my eyes will start watering and I'll start crying.
The fact that, you know, you hear people that say, if I could just inspire one person, if I can make one little dent, then it's all worth it. And we make a lot of little dents, y'all. We've had so many people reach out to us and just give thanks and say that we've like been an inspiration or helped them change their life or turn their life around. And that's why we do what we do. That's why we wake up and we do it all over again, and we love every minute of it, even if we don't have any sleep, like we don't have now, even if, you know, it's just, we sacrifice a lot of, you know, fun things, but there's nothing more fun, there's nothing more fulfilling, there's nothing more gratifying than to get a letter from somebody like that who genuinely cares about the impact you're making and has benefited from it. That right there is the pinnacle of anything that I've tried to accomplish in life. So thank you very much, Jacob. Thank you very much to everybody else who's emailed us. And even if you don't, like, you don't have to email us. Even if you just like been touched in some form or fashion by something that we've said or put out in the world. Yeah.
I mean, honestly, it's weird because we do wake up every day and like this is the reason we do what we do. But there are days, and like today was one of them for me, where I just kind of like I woke up and I felt like I was failing. And it's super weird. Like, you feel like you're failing, or you feel like you're not doing enough, or you feel like there's so much more in life you could be doing, or more people you could be helping, and you just are trying like so hard to figure it out. And today I was kind of down a lot of the day, actually. And that message, that letter literally just like put me over the edge, like put me in tears. And it was like I desperately needed that today. And
so we need you all as much as you need us, basically.
Yeah, and we're saying, like, yeah, we wake up to make a difference in people's lives, you know, in a positive manner, but it's not like we wake up like these awesome people. It's like we wake up and we face these things ourselves every single day, just like you guys do, but I don't know. I don't know. Just being able to relate to you guys is awesome, so.
Yeah. So thanks again to you. Person watching this vlog right now, we love you.
We love you.
Alright, we're gonna go to bed. 24-hour mark. We're hitting the hay. Good night.